Okay, this is a how to link a variable in PDM to a Word document. So what I've done is I've taken some fields. I've linked to. I should make these italic, shouldn't I? I've linked to author, keywords, and project number, and so the result is on the right. So we have Jason Green number 1, which you see here, and then 2021. Okay. And so what I want to go through is to show you how to do that. So one thing that we do is make sure that we have the document checked out. Now I do. It's checked out. So that means I can make edits and changes. So what I'm going to do is actually take this variable out. So the 2021 I'm going to just remove, and then we'll put it back in together. Now to do that, you go to Home. Actually, you go to Insert. So I'm using Office 2013, so you may have a little bit different input than me. But in 2013, it's Insert, and then you're looking for Quick Parts, and selecting Field. So Field. And then from Field, well, the category or field name that I'm interested in is the doc property. So that's the unique one for PDM, doc property. And then I want to find project number. So I'll select project number from the list, project number. Now you can see it populated, it came in as 2021, which is exactly what we wanted. And so I'm going to hit save. And the other detail that you don't want to miss is setting the document itself to update. So in this case, I'm using a docm, which means it's a macro-enabled document. You could also use a DOC file, just an old DOC file, and that would allow you to do the same thing. I chose the docm. There's some extra flexibility with that we're not going to get into. Now, to look at the input for it, we'll go to Alt and F11, and that brings up our Visual Basic editor. And what I want to look at is this document, so project and then this document, and we find out that this text, this private sub document, this all needs to be added in, and what it effectively does is causes the fields to update so that every time you make a change in the data card here, the field then updates in the Word document here. Okay? And so I'm going to switch back to my VB. I already did this. You'll need to put this text in and save it. Make sure you hit the save button. And once it's all saved, it will update. And so just to demonstrate that, I'm going to hit save and close. And because we still have the file checked out, I'll just say get latest. So I'm just going to bring it in as it is. And what I want to do is clear out the project number so that we see the difference. Actually, let's do 1508. How about that? And then we'll change this from Jason to system admin, and we'll change this to green. Well, let's do blue. I'm feeling blue. Blue and 21. Because we can. I'm going to hit the save button. That'll update the field, so it's sent it to the database. And now if I open up the document, we should see those read in. Ooh, and I didn't save my image. That's fine. So you can see how those fields update. System admin, that updated. Blue 21 updated. And 1508, which matches the values on the data card. So that is the process to link in a Word document. Now it's a little bit different in an Excel document. I'll handle that separately. Thanks.